Hello again, Esther 781 here. So, as if I don't have enough on my plate, this is a recurring theme in my life. Previous video, I sort of got into the do's and don'ts of buying a used snowblower. And if you ever want to see a picture of what defeat looks like, it looks like this. The coupler piece snapped. It's just cast metal, very brittle. I heated the crap out of it, heated it, quenched it, tried all the tricks in the book, soaked it in PB Blaster, tried air hammering in the middle of it while prying up on it, and the last ditch effort was this 3-bolt pulley puller that actually had a very nice purchase on it, and unfortunately that ear just gave way. The depressing part is I think it actually moved, so going to have to cut a slice on that and see if I can find a cheap one of those maybe in the stash. But anyway, today's video, because I'm so depressed from that failure, is going to be a simple restoration on this old Master Lock number 5. The little shed out back needs a new lock because the new cheapy lock is already what's it called, turning to shit. And I helped clear out a bunch of old tools at a friend of mine's place, and amongst them was this lock set. Even had the matching keys. So I figured that we'd make a nice quick video, and well, let's get to it. Step 1 is going to be the old wire wheel. And just go nice and slow. You can see how nice it comes out almost immediately. I'm not too concerned with this rubber ring. Normally you can sort of pick them off and save them, but I tried, and this one's just so old and brittle that it's gonna crack and not be usable again. So I'm gonna try to do my best to clean around it. Let's see there. You get the idea. I'll turn you back on when this is done. Well, unfortunately, I lost the rest of the footage, but she's done. The chrome plating has sort of come off on the shackle side. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel here. This is just getting it cleaned up so it's gonna last us, doesn't seize up on us, lock up on us. And I even did the keys. They're so slippery. You can tell, focus. You can tell which key was the spare. Right there. I actually got a decent shine out of the spare. You can still kind of read the numbers. And of course, it works beautifully. Nice and smooth. You'll find a million different things online for what to do or what to use in your locks, and I'm sure I'm going to get some hell in the comments, but WD-40 has never let me down, and this is not in direct rain or weather, and I don't absolutely saturate the lock. I just put a couple of drops in and I work it back and forth with the key, and then I actually blow it out, get all the remaining crap out of there, and I've never had an issue, and I've been doing that for the past 15 years, some odd. But that's it today. Just a short, quick one. This is going to be an upcoming video. I'm sure that sort of horrified a bunch of you. And alright, I'll cut this one short. Thanks again, guys, for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. We'll see you next time. Bye.